everybody, as you can see, today is quite different. Me and my family went on a family hike, and guess what we found? Okay, I'll show you. I know this isn't a tutorial, but I just had to show you. When we entered, we saw a board on all the rules and wordings, and one of them was that you had to walk in a single file row. Guess what? The animals are following the rules too. And by the way, comment down below if you know what those animals are. I don't. This is all the scenery. Look, so pretty, isn't it? And that's my mom. Even though it's dry, still pretty. Wouldn't it be super pretty if it was all green? Oh look, the road. I don't know if you can see it. See that? That's a road. There. Wow, so pretty. And the sky is so not cloudy, except over here, which is super cloudy. And this section is not. Okay.